Hi, I'm Sean with Seatown. I'm the pipe fitter here with the HVAC department, and we do things such as relocating furnaces, water tanks, anything of the sort. If you want a barbecue or a dryer, we can get those installed as well. Today we're doing a cooktop for a customer. If you want to follow me, we'll go ahead and get started. So this is the gas meter we're working with today. Ultimately, we just got to shut off the gas in order to open up the line and continue on with the air install for the cooktop. We're just going to go to the shut-off valve right here and align the two eyelets. And that shuts off the gas to the home, allowing me to open up the line from the continuous work. Customer today has asked for a new stovetop to be installed. So we're going to be coming off of the existing pipe over about 15 inches and down into the crawl space. From the crawl space, we're going to be leading over another about 15 feet to come up through the cabinetry underneath the cooktop. Customer is super excited to have it getting installed today, so she'll be able to cook tonight with it. So ultimately, this is my truck. This is my threading machine where I'm able to make precise cuts and ultimately get the job installed. Comes fully equipped with all the fittings I need. Everything from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 1/4 and even 1.5 inches for some special stuff. So ultimately got our thread tape on. Now we're just throwing the thread sealant over the top of it just for extra guarantee that it's going to seal when I'm done. Put our fitting on. Just doing a 90-degree 1/2 inch elbow. The reason we paint and primer the gas piping is for weather protection, ultimately to stop any corrosion or rust from gathering on it over the lifespan of its lifetime. And then if you just want to follow me, we'll head out to the job site and show you what's happening there. All right. So ultimately, just got the pre-existing pipe that was capped off out. Now we're putting our new guy with the 90-degree fitting that we need to go down into the crawl space in. And just a little bit of tolerance with spacing and we'll be able to get her pretty smoothly. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in the crawl and get dirty. Alright. Time to suit up and get into that crawl space. We got work to do. Hello once again. So, just got out of the crawl, running the CSST over to our mechanical fitting, leading through the wall over there. Now we're closing up the crawl, getting ready to seal our terminations and go install the indoor termination fitting in the cabinetry for the cooktop itself. Perfect. Ultimately, we got to cut open our CSST here in the cabinetry so we can get our indoor termination fitting installed. Just take us a few seconds. Alright, so we're just wrapping up. We got our indoor termination fitting installed and it's shut off. It's in the off position and then we've capped it off for an easy install once the stovetop arrives. Ultimately all they have to do is take off the cap, put the brass fitting on to the flex connector and we're good to go. And if you'll follow me, we're going to head outside. Alright, so we are finishing up the cooktop install today. Ultimately it was pretty easy install, a little bit of a small crawl but no real issue there. Ultimately, if you have any gas piping needs, you want to install yourselves like a hot tub, an outdoor barbecue, you got some heat strips, maybe a fire table, want a new range yourself, give us a call. 360 Seatown.